What is the 2026 Gateway mission? The 2026 Gateway mission, constructed by NASA, planning for a launch in March. The NASA Gateway will be a planned small space station orbiting the moon, serving as a vital outpost for NASA's Artemis program to return humans to the lunar surface and support future deep space explorations, including missions to Mars. The astronauts that will be leading this mission are Commander Reed Wiseman, Pilot Victor Glover, Mission Specialist Christina Koch, and Mission Specialist Jeremy Hansen, marking the first time a woman, person of color, and non-American will journey to the moon. Many precautions, like using backup systems, strong micrometeoroid shielding, and radiation-hardened electronics to keep astronauts safe in deep space. Every module is heavily tested on Earth for launch, stress, extreme temperatures, air leaks, and long-term reliability before being sent to the moon. Meanwhile, in schools across the country, CTE students are preparing food for the astronauts in space. Students are working diligently constructing well-thought-out and planned foods to be able to create and send for the astronauts during their trip in space. It's not only students in the culinary field helping. NASA is giving students everywhere chances to use engineering and critical thinking to learn that every interest can benefit and help ideas come to life. This isn't just to show schools critical thinking, but more teamwork and what can happen when students come together and what they can create. The Gateway is just a part of this awesome mission NASA is trying to piece together. With the help of schools, NASA will be able to collect more information to construct more hypotheses, experiments, and missions to find out more about the galaxy. Learn more about career and technical education at ctemonth.org and NASA HUNCH at nasahunch.com.